afternoon, children. Welcome to today's section. Today we have to discuss formation of greatest and smallest number with the given digits. Yesterday already we discussed Indian system, international system, and place value, face value, expanded form of numbers. Already we discussed relation between Indian and international system. Today we have to discuss formation of greatest and smallest number with the given digits. For example, if you take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. By using these digits, we have to form greatest 4-digit number and smallest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number. Greatest, when you are writing greatest 4-digit number are with the given digits, first given digits we have to arrange in descending order. In these digits, which is the greatest digit? 4, after 3, after 2, after 1. Here how many digits they asked? 4-digit number. So here they given 5 digits, but we need only 4 digits. We can write 4, 3, 2. So don't place the comma. According to Indian system, we can place the comma after 100. So this number is 4321. When you are writing smallest number, we have to arrange the digits, small digits in ascending order, small to big. 0, 1, 2, 3. So if you write 0, 1, 2, 3, it is a 4-digit number? No, it is wrong. When they given 0, we have to write like this. So 1023. One more example. Using these digits form greatest 4-digit number. Which is the greatest digit here? 9, after 6, after 5, after 3. Next, smallest number, smallest 4-digit number, 3, 5, 6, 9. Once you remember, when you are writing greatest number, given digits we have to arrange in ascending order. Means great number to small, greatest digit to smallest digit. And when you are writing smallest number, you have to write small is ascending order, means smallest to biggest digit. This is the formation of number using digits. Next, rounding of numbers. Next topic is, our topic is next one, rounding of numbers. Next topic is rounding of numbers. Rounding of numbers. Rounding of numbers is nothing but numbers we are writing easier and closer to nearest closer. For example, if you take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See here 5 is the exactly middle. If you take 3 is closer to 0. If you take 7 is closer to 10. Like this, one more example. If you take 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here 15 is the exactly middle value. 15 left side left side 14, 13, 12, 11 all are is closer to 10. 16, 17, 18, 19 are closer to 20. And what about 15? 15 is exactly middle value. We can take as nearest to 10s or 20. But we can take almost higher value only. So 20. In daily life also we have rounding of numbers. Means for example, anybody if you ask what is your age means, for example today is your birthday. For you completed 12 years. If some members they will ask next month, if you ask anybody what is your age means what you will say 12 years only. But what is your age? 12 years 1 month. 12 years 1 month. Why? Because 1 month completed. Last month your birthday. So if they ask next month what is your age means 12 years 1 month. So but we are saying like this. No, you are saying 12 years only. This is called rounding. Rounding of numbers. We have so many methods rounding of numbers. First, rounding of numbers nearest to tens. I will say one method. Nearest to tens. Round off given numbers nearest to tens. Let us take one example. 73. 73 is nearest to tens. When you are rounding tens place, you have to see ones place, means before place. So what have here? Ones place. So ones place you have to see ones place digit if 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If these digits are there in ones place, you have to write that digit 0. Otherwise, in ones place, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These digits are there in ones place. One more example, 87. 87 nearest to tens. Nearest to tens is, but you have to observe here, when you are rounding tens place, you have to see ones place digit which have. See here 7 is 5 above. These are less than 5 digits. These are greater than 5 digits. Greater than or equal. So less than 5 all are digits. So when we have less than 5 digits, we have to change. No need to change digit. Just that place we have to round off 0. Next we have Next example, observe here. Example 1, this one. Example 2. 87. This is here. 1 to place which digit have? 7. So, 7 is greater than 5. Then what we have to do? We have to add which one we are rounding with the digit. We have to add 1. So, here 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Remaining digit we have to make it 0. 90. So, 87 is nearest to tens is 90. One more example. 353.